Ever wondered if you could magically shrink a massive 10-hour audio file down to a manageable 3 minutes, all on your phone? First, you will need to fire up your audio editing app of choice, ideally one with advanced features like time stretching and pitch shifting. Next, importing your gigantic 10-hour audio file into the app. This step could take a while, depending on your phone's processing power. Now comes the creative part. Carefully analyze the audio and identify sections that contain redundant pauses or repetitive information. Use the app's time stretching or compression tools to drastically reduce the duration of those highlighted segments. If the compression mangles the audio quality, experiment with pitch correction and consider applying noise reduction. Playback your newly condensed 3-minute audio track to ensure that the core message is conveyed effectively. Finally, export the converted audio into your desired format and share the converted file. This approach lets you extract the essence and create a mobile-friendly version.